Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Alden LaCroix.
After a little bit of cloud cover this morning from that dry cold front, it has been all sunshine, except for you folks down toward Roseburg, Coos Bay right now. Temperature sitting at about 45 degrees, but we're starting to get some of those alto cumulus clouds drifting in. It's kind of remnants of the cold front. It's not going to produce any precipitation for you folks in Roseburg, but what it is going to do is produce a few snow showers up and along the Cascades tonight. Those clouds are alto cumulus and they're a little higher in the atmosphere to produce precipitation. Heading into the weekend, we get a little bit of morning fog heading into Saturday, but it's mainly just going to be a sunny and cold weekend. Some of the coldest air we have seen so far. And I know we keep saying that with each of these cold spells, but each of these cold spells are colder and colder. Now, heading into next week, we still are anticipating rain chances by Thursday, and that is going to proceed pretty much, it looks like, all February long. So here's the alto cumulus clouds right here, not producing any precipitation because even if they did, it's not going to reach the ground. The only areas that would see that are the Cascades because they're higher up in the atmosphere. For the most part, high pressure is dominating the weather across the northwest this weekend, and it is going to be cold. We have cold weather advisories in place for pretty much everyone as temperatures dip into the 20s, and those of you in central Oregon likely down into the teens. So all in all, clear skies tonight, dropping the temperature down. You can see some remnants of those clouds down toward Roseburg, 32 in Eugene already by 8 o'clock tonight. Tomorrow morning, a little bit of patchy fog. I know it's not showing up, but we still are expecting that possibly down toward Roseburg and especially out towards areas of Deschutes County. Temperatures there about 15 degrees. Saturday afternoon, warm things up to about 44, 20 still out toward areas of Chemult, but for the most part up into the foothills about 42. And the coast, man, great place to be this weekend. Sunny skies and temperatures in the 40s, 33 as we head into Saturday night. Now, here are the rain chances. We still are anticipating Thursday, kind of a shower variety, and eventually that will lead to widespread rain both Friday and Saturday. And it's not going to be warming up. We're talking about a cold rain. Atmospheric river is moving in, but it's not the Pineapple Express that usually brings the milder temperatures. You can see number one heading into Thursday and number two getting its act together for next weekend. And that's why we've been saying this weekend is the time to get outside. 52 Saturday afternoon toward the central coast. Eventually rain and wind returns by next Thursday and Friday across the Umpqua. About 46 Saturday afternoon. Temperatures in the 40s and 50s this weekend with rain returning by next Friday. Up into the Cascades around 23 on Saturday. Single digits, but eventually snow will return. And for Eugene and Corvallis, about 45 degrees on Saturday. Sunshine this weekend, but man, it is going to be getting cold in the low 20s. Rain returns